Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? Hope like you are able to listen properly. Let me just check. Just checking sound is coming or not because I think last time also there was some issue with that. Like you are able to listen properly. Let me just check. Yes. How are you? How are you? So this is unplanned live stream. So recently I got a news. I think one hour before bubble pricing change. So whoever don't know about the bubble pricing change, so bubble recently have bubble price completely changed. Now it is more on. So we will talk about in detail and share your first reaction over this. And yeah, so we will keep in talk in detail. And if you have any question or something like that, just ping me on here. Okay, let's first talk about what exactly have changed. There's a huge rumors and all, so, and then we will divide that into how that is going to be affect the existing user and the people who actually planning for the new planning to launch their app using a bubble. So start. So let me just share my screen. So this is the Yeah. So this is the Bubble founder have put it today. I think 3 hours back. So what is the means of this and what is the effect? So let's talk about first what exactly it is, and then we will dive into and what exactly affecting for the existing user. So let's first. So now Bubble. So till now, how Bubble pricing work? Let me just show you into the incognito. Let's do the pricing. It's open here only directly. Yeah. So this is the pricing till now. So they have a two plan pay annually and pay monthly. Monthly start from the $29 free is there 29 and 129 and 529 for the production, and there is no such limit is there. The limit for the capacity, how you more you are using our app, how many users are using your app simultaneously, so that affect your pricing. So for example, on the $29 plan, that is monthly plan, and when you purchase it manually annually, it is for the $25. So let's talk about it. This is my go-to plan for the any MVP or sort of a thing that we want to out in the market, because there's no limitation on the database, no limitation of the number of user, and that's why we love the bubble. So because there is no such limitation, and it have a 2 unit of the server capacity. And on the professional plan, you get a two development version, two application editor, three more server capacity. That is for more professional user who is actually making money out of their bubble app. And then there's a production that is completely for whom they have a like a lakhs of monthly active user, something like 100K, 200K, or something like monthly active user, because they have a number of user parallelly with use. So that is there. So till now there is no limitation, but now there is a complete limitation on the pricing structure of the. So this is the new plan sort of that will affect, I think, March 23. Yeah, it will got affected from the March 23. So from the March 23, this is the new pricing will come up, and free there the same free plan, but at now have a limit of 500 monthly unique daily visitor and 200 database thing. And I think right now also there's a limit of 200 database thing, but there is no such limit of monthly active user. The next one is, and also the in the right now also there is you can, yeah, you cannot launch in a like a live mode, production mode, but on the development you can do same with right new updated pricing plan. Next move on the personal plan. That's quite interesting. So now earlier it was like $25 per month, and that is completely you can do anything, any number of user, any number of database thing, and any number of uh, till the time you are very easily very performance based setting up your database. So no issue, no something. But now there's a limit of 10,000 monthly unique daily visitor and 5,000 things, database things. So you can have maximum type 5,000 database row into the your app. Total completely total sum of number of table and number of row. So basically number of row across all the table, that maximum 5,000 and 10,000 monthly unique daily visitor. Okay, let me talk about what exactly how they will count the monthly unique daily visitor. So if you go and there's a bug, quite bug now. So this is a okay, and okay, let me show you. And this is the definition of monthly active user. So what the definition actually? So for example, there is the same user Ankur, and if he is visiting daily after 24 hour at in a single day, that will be counted as a new user, your newly active user. So, for example, I visited to webflow.com that is built on the bubble. Yeah, I know I just took a very wrong example. So, for example, take any uh, for just for the example sake, take Airbnb. So now, if you are a user and you are regularly visiting 30 days, daily you are visiting one time or two times or multiple times, so you will treat it as a 30 user. Even for a website, you are a single user, but for Bubble, you will be treated as a 30 users. So that will deducted from your quota for the month. So this is a pretty big change. So this is the one change. Now we move to the other things, and the professional plan is same 115 per month, but that is a 50,000 monthly unique daily visitor and 25,000 retail trigger. Now this production price have quite drastically reduced it. So earlier it was costing $529 if I'm not wrong, or 520, yeah, $529 per month. And when you pay in the production, that it will be 475 per month. Now you have to pay from 475 to $320 per month. So that's a big help. But earlier there was no limit. Right now there is limit. So I think that in a nutshell it is same thing. And also on the professional plan, earlier you can collaborate with your only the two you and one more collaborator. But now you can have a four collaborator on your same project. So you can share your same project with the four collaborator. You don't need to buy the production for just for that functionality. So that is a good part. And also this all this is you can even read. So the main, and there's a 325 and approx 90% people are talking about negative, saying a negative sentiment about the database limit. And I personally also feel like why this is limiting on the database trigger. And that's why we love Bubble, na? Because Bubble don't have any limit. You just have to pay a monthly and even that pricing is per app, not on the per user pricing. So that is like bit negative for me also. Now I hesitately to recommend anyone, because whenever someone new come to the Bubble and talk about it, is it a scalable or not? Then the main thing that we call it, yeah, it is scalable. If you do a DB very good, or you make an app proper, following a proper best practices, then Bubble is quite good. So just give you a glimpse at 50,000 limit, how easy it will be break. So, for example, just let's suppose you have a 1,000 user, but daily visiting. So it will be calculated 30,000 monthly unique daily visitor. For that, you need $115 monthly plan, and that is pretty easy. Like if you have any good product market fit product, and easily that is easily reachable, and monthly active. And this is the most interesting thing that people highlighted on the Twitter also. This is a 10,000 monthly unique daily data, and there is only 5,000 database thing limit. So just consider this scenario. Just consider this: your each user is coming on your database on your website and converting and creating an account on your platform. Then only in just the middle of 5,000 user, you will hit that database thing. So this is how bad that is pricing is. So I think Bubble should consider it and take the notes from the user, because and also for you. And yeah, this is what they have. So earlier it was not easy for Bubble team to track how many people, how many monthly unit daily visitor on that particular website, and how many total database record is there. But now they have created, I think, a new functionality to track that. And yeah, one more thing. Earlier, this they have reduced the pricing for the file storage. Earlier, I think that will be pretty much costly, but now it is pretty much easy. At $10 for just a 100 GB data. 100 GB is why use when you have a good videos and over. But I don't think there isn't so much need of this. So this is basic about bubble pricing. What you thought about it? What's your view over it? Please do share in the comment so that I got to know. And also, please, if you don't like the pricing or you have opinion about the bubble pricing, please tag the people onto the bubble, and then and share your opinion. Every opinion should be heard. So that is there. And one more thing is what you think about the bubble pricing. Okay, this is, we already talk about how this. Let me just show you some of the real sort of example. So just imagine you have your messaging app, and you have just a 300 user, only a 300 user maximum, and they are pretty active on it. Now, if you see the this database limit, 5,000, 20, like just take example 25,000, or even just 2 lakh, that is going to be hit very easily. Like everyone on your WhatsApp, you can check, you easily message, easily 50 messages a day, and 50 into 300 people only, it will come around, if my math is right, approx one. Let me just calculate it. My math is not very strong. 1,500 or 15,000. So you can easily come in the professional plan just for the 300 user. And yeah, there is a one more option is there. You can buy a personal plan, and then you can buy the database for per dollar you spend. I think yeah. So that is not going to be work, and you need to pay more on it. Yeah, and let me show you one more comparison that one of the person has made with that webflow. So whoever is interested into the no code thing surely know what exactly the webflow is and what their main goal is. So whoever don't know, basic, just basic, webflow is a sort of a front end development website. So let me just show you where is that. Yeah, this one. So this person has compared the both the pricing of the Bubble, who is a full stack developer platform, full stack, and Webflow, which is a front end. They don't need actually database. They're not very much focused on the database thing. Still, they got cheaper pricing comparison to Bubble. So they have $115 month pricing, it is 0.0046 item per item, and they are $36 pricing. It comes down to $0.0036, I think, less than cent per item pricing. So that's the level of, I don't know what. So this is very and one more uh, comment I will show you. There's one more. Let me show you my Twitter account. So I posted a lot of things. If you just following me on the no, if you're not following me, just go and follow. I just put a lot of content related to bubble. I don't. I have a doubt right now. Okay, this person is someone have posted. Bubble is not, but check Rappler, at least no vendor blocking. Thanks, Viral, for suggesting for the Rappler. I will look into it. So let me just show you. Yeah, this is a tweet I just want to show you. Let me just go to that. I think I missed somewhere. So that is pretty much example of the. Let me just open my. Let me just do it. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, this is my Twitter account. I just posted one thing. Let me just. Let me show you one special. I just forget. Yeah, this one. So this is the person I have like commented on the their. Let me show you. You are able to see my. Oh, this is. Yeah, this is the person. Basically, he is just using Bubble for their main production app, and he's not production plan. So that is the highest plan Bubble have. So now he's paying approx $529 monthly billing, and he estimate he have a, if he considers a new plan, his pricing goes for the 529 to the $1,200 per month. I think more than 100% rise, approx 120 130% rise, because he have a 500K records as of now, and that is going to be increased. For every increase, he need to pay more to the bubble. So this will not good for even for the production plan. It is not very good for the professional user. Plus, not good for the personal plan. I don't know to whom they it helpful. One more thing, all the new pricing and all you can keep till the January 23 January 2023. So existing user don't need to worry about it, but the new user who is joining after the 23 March, well, they will switch to the new pricing. They will not leverage the old pricing. So if you have any idea, you just want to try the bubble and all, I would say just create an account on the bubble and just lock your old pricing before 23rd March, and that you at least you can use for the 7 months, 7 to 8 good months, and then you can force it to the new plan and all. So in the 7 to 8 months, you can check it out whether your idea is worth pursuing or not, or like what you can even get a money out of it or not. So that's the Okay, let me just show you my tweet. I have just put an interesting one. So, okay. Uh, and there's a couple of new ideas that people are giving, not using a bubble as a bubble backend, instead using any third party no code bubble platform like Geno, like backendless. So, what's your point on this? What's your what you think about it? I don't know. Someone have posted, commented, but I don't know the language. So sorry, mate. Can you just put it into the English? Okay. So they are suggesting a new third-party bubble database, but my like bubble have a like a when you use their own database, bubble database, then you can do a lot of things like current user, create thing, update, and that is a pretty quick and that is sort of a easy. But now, if you go back to the third-party no-code platform database that will host, then you need to call API. And calling API for each simple thing will making your application slow or not very easy to build. That is the main source of secret source of marketing of no-code tools. So that will hamper people will go back to the coding part of this. So this is a one. And also, I just feel like there's a new good opportunity to build any socket.io sort of application for all the no code platform. So, what is socket for IO? Let me just tell you something. Whenever you message on WhatsApp, not on WhatsApp, but they have a sort of a same technology behind it, or any other messaging platform, it will not call a API. It will, when you click on it, it will sent by the socket. Socket are sort of a, you can say, miniature version of API that you can transfer your small sort of a content very fast, faster than the API. So that sort of a platform, I think there's a place for that sort of a platform uh, on the bubble. On any no code tool that will can sync up with any no code tools or any sort of a platform. So that is, I think, good use case, because if someone build that, he can user can integrate anywhere, be it a bubble, be it a webflow, be it any software, be it any Doric and any other platform, like, and that will be pretty much easy. So yeah, I think that's a good thing. That's a good business model. And this is a tweet like I done Asni memes. So I have a detailed thread on the about the bubble pricing and some of the. So one person is putting out there, I can help you with the external deviation needs, and I will like that's a good marketing. It's a good marketing to and this is earlier times when they recently put their pricing, and all the 69 or the 99% are against it, and I am damn sure it is right now also. I think they have a more than 300 comment on the that forum, but still all of them are the same negative sentiment. But yeah, Ili have a very interesting point on the while making a move to the primary front end platform. Seems like they, but I have a huge doubt over it. When you say any platform is primarily focusing on the front end part, then there's no way of limiting the daily visitor, because that is a visitor that will see the front end and everything. That will you can't really put a limit on that. So that is the feel like Bubble is also not doing that too. Yeah, yeah. Also, when the that price change thing happened on the Twitter or on the Bubble forum, that Bubble forum is started crashing, asking user to relog in, and relog in. That's yeah, that is the one interesting thing one person have highlighted. 10K user, 5K things. Does Bubble even know that user that we already discussed over this? So if you have any opinion about the Bubble new pricing, just comment it out. We'll talk about it and the other comment people have. So yeah, this is about the bubble pricing thing. So what's your thought? What you want to talk about it? Just let me know, and we will talk about it in the comment section. Also you can tweet me on the No Code Talks. Hope you like that stream. I'm just closing down. If you have any question or something, just let me know. Okay, bye bye. Take care.